Okay, we're at about 140 as we roll around to get to the water. See some water. I'm trying to get around it and straddle it. There's some definitely water in front of the burnout box. Shift to drive is not confidence inspiring. Yeah. The air is really, really bad. $160 right now. So that was a nice cool run on really bad air. So 1154 and some really nasty air. We'll see what the time slip says. Thank you. Time slip says 11:53.3 at 120.43, 186.60 foot. 7:45 in the 8th, 97.95 in the 8th. So I'd say the drag is pretty spot on.